Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. There's the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Don't push that button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Don't think about pushing that button. There's the button. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. There's the button. Wanna push it, huh? No, we can't. We mustn't. Don't push that button. No. Psst. No one's looking. Give that button a little push. Come on. No one's looking. Give that button a little push. Yeah, let's do it. Beep. Let's see what happens. No, I'm yellow. Oh no. Push it again. Push it again. Okay. Beep. Let's see what happens now. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Beep. Beep. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Hurry. Beep, 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 beep. Ah! Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Oh, rats. And there's some more. What do we do now? Uh-oh. Shake the book to get all of Larry's to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay, let's see what happens now. Oh, almost. A little more. Okay, shake it a little bit more. See, there's too many Larrys. Okay, there we go. It says we have to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch his tummy. Don't push the button, just scratch his tummy. Okay, let's see if that works. Ah, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. Okay, hallelujah. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Couple more pushes, right? Couple more pushes. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. The end.